What I really love about my experience here at Escoffier is the ability to be in a collaborative environment with passionate people that have similar passions to me so that we can all help bolster each other to reach our career goals.
When I first started school, I I didn't even know how to hold a knife properly. And from like the growth that you start with and the growth that you end with is just exceptional.
The community is a big part of being here. We're very just tight-knit, and I definitely love the instructors here and how knowledgeable they are.
If you're second guessing coming here, just jump in. Honestly, if you have the love for it, if you have the love for cooking, this is the place to come because everyone loves it here.
So I chose Escoffier Boulder specifically due to its affordable prices and its collaborative environment that is provided in the school. Seeing the passionate chefs in the orientation and in the shadowing of a lesson that I did, it really showed me that you don't need to have to pay excessive amounts of money in order to get the quality education that you seek for your career.